अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माय चैनल नेम इज़ नदीम इन्फो। मेरे चैनल को शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में दिए गए बेल आइकन के बटन को भी दबा दें ताकि हमारे आने वाले इस नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। चलो एवरीवन, बढ़ते हैं आज की वीडियो की जाने बाद से आपको बताऊंगी इन पर्सन ग्रुप डिस्कशंस प्रोस नॉन वेरिएबल क्यूज आर रिच डेटा सोर्सेज एंड कंट्रीब्यूट टू हाउ अदर्स में respond when people are in the room together, can incorporate a wide variety of written and brainstorming exercises such as having students team up to sketch out concept together. This course instructors can pick up on non-verbal courses and facilities to the conservations more personally. Cons there may be not be very diverse population as people are limited to the which areas and cities the course is being held in. Cost is prohibitive factor to assembling a group either because of moderate travel cost or facility rental cost. Ultimately, the structure of the course, whether it is online or in person, will depend on the nature of the course itself and environment that is the course instructor think will be the most beneficial for the students. These topics for group discussions. If you are looking for some easy topics, here are a few ideas to get you started. Favorite online resources. The favorite topic on your list is what are your favorite online sources? This is a great question to get people talking about the different websites and tools that they use on a daily basis. It can help also be a great way to find new resources that people may not be aware of. It's an easy conversation started that can lead to more in-depth topics along the way. What is your favorite websites or app for travel while planning? What is your favorite websites or app for finding new recipes to try? What is your favorite websites or app to productivity organization? Which is your favorite website to learning new skills or information? A thought on the internet. If you are looking for a topic that will get people thinking, then you might want to try what are the your thoughts on the current state of the internet. This is a great way to get people to share this thought and opinions on the current state of the internet, and it can also be a great way to start discussions about how the internet can be improved. The role of the internet in promoting freedom of speech and the censorship, the finished memes and internet trends. How has the internet changed the music industry? The role of the internet is creating and fostering online communities. The role of the internet is education and the future of traditional learning method. The impact of social media on your lives. This is another great topic that can get people thinking and talking. Social media has had get a huge impact on your lives and is definitely something wrong discussing. It is a topic that tends to have and differing opinions, so the conservation may include many talking points to the opportunities to share real life example of the impact. You can ask questions referring to the what you other may have seen on social media like Facebook groups. These groups often have a growing discussions abroad that can influence opinions. The impact of social media on your communication skills and real life relationship. The use of social media for cyberbullying and harassment. The impact of social media on the economy and job market. The most abused social media and internet trends of the phenomena, the pros and the cons of technology. This is a great topic for discussions, particularly because it is something that we will use on the daily basis. We rely heavily on technology, also understanding how people view it. Both the negative and positive sides can be quite interesting. It is also a great way to start a conversation about how can we use technology more effectively and how we can avoid its negative effect. The effect of technology on job security and employment opportunities. The impact of technology on your ability to communicate and more relationship. The role of technology in promoting and suppressing privacy and data security. The effect of technology on your attention spans and memory retention. The role of technology is promoting and surprising entrepreneurship and innovations. The changing landscape of education is a great topic for discussions, especially if you have an online community full of students and or educators. Education is constantly changing, so it is important to stay up to date on the latest, and discussions can help people learn about new change in the education, and it can also be a great way to get different perspectives on the issue. The impact of technology on the education system and traditional learning method. The impact of big data and personalization in education on student privacy and autonomy. The role of online education and distance learning in the future of education. The role of education in shaping the future of virtual reality education. The improve of connections. This is a great topic for discussion, particularly in the online communities. It can be easy to feel isolated when we are spending so much time online. So it is important to find ways to connect. हमारे चैनल को शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।